guys, welcome back to Healthy Recipe. We're going to be making a delicious vegan quinoa recipe today. It's going to be really simple. We're using some fresh tomatoes, onions, and garlic with a little bit of olive oil. It's going to be flavored really nice. So let's get right to work. Okay, so this is the ingredients that we're using today. I have here 2 cups of diced fresh tomatoes. I have some smoked paprika, some crushed red peppers. This is optional for a little bit of heat. You guys know I like heat on my recipes, so this is what I'll be using along with some black pepper. So I'm using olive oil to saute with for my aromatics. I got about 6 cloves of finely minced garlic. I have 2 cups of quinoa. This was 2 cups of dry, and it made obviously a lot more than 2 cups once it got cooked because this stuff puffs up. So what I did is I just put it in about 3 cups of water, cooked it for about 20 minutes, and then I just left it on this strainer so it would dry out to get all the moisture. And that's what we have here. It was originally 2 cups of dry quinoa, what I started with. I'm using a half a lime to add some acidity. A half avocado, I'm just gonna take some slices off of it for presentation and to add a little bit of freshness and healthy fats to the dish. And I have a half a red onion finely diced. And that's basically it. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to our saute pan and begin to work on our aromatics. Okay, so I'm gonna use about a tablespoon or so of olive oil. This is extra virgin organic olive oil. And we're gonna keep the temperature at around 340 degrees. Just because, remember, olive oil begins to oxidize after 350. So we're going to keep it at 340. And that's about a medium high. Once we got the oil hot enough, we're going to start adding our aromatics. And this is our minced garlic first. And to me, this is one of the best smells in food is olive oil and garlic. Just amazing. Why you can never replace fresh garlic. It's just so much better than the powdered stuff. Now I'm going to add my minced onion. We're just going to work this in until it becomes translucent. This is going to be the base of a lot of the flavor for this recipe. Now we're going to add our diced tomatoes. I'm just adding a little bit of a time because I don't like adding too much cold ingredients at once because I don't like to overcrowd or cool the pan. And want the tomatoes softened quite a bit, but we don't want them to be mushy either. This quinoa is going to take on all this flavor. Then on top of that, we're going to season it some. Now we're going to add the lime juice, add some nice acidity. Red pepper flakes for heat. Adding about a teaspoon or so. Some crushed black pepper, fresh. Smoked paprika, about a teaspoon or so. smells amazing right now. All right, so we're ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and serve this with some nice avocado slices and get it ready to give it a taste. Okay, so there we have the finished dish. I try to make it look a little bit presentable and nice for you guys, just for presentation's sake. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of avocado slices just to give it a little bit of green color on the ends. And also we're adding some really nice healthy fats to the dish. And I'm also going to add a little bit of minced tomato up at the top to add a little bit of extra color, make it look nicer. Remember, we eat a lot through our eyes, so we want the food that we're eating to look really pretty. I hope you guys liked it. This is my quinoa, made super simple. Not a lot of ingredients like I showed you guys, and it's vegan friendly. So I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Remember to give us a thumbs up if you liked it so we can continue growing and bring in healthy recipes to every home. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys really soon on the next one. So it's the moment of truth. I'm going to go ahead and give this a try, see what it came out like. It smells amazing. I already tried it earlier, but now I've got the toppings and everything else on it, so let's see what we got. The combination of garlic, olive oil, and that black pepper is really amazing. It has a little bit of that zest from the lime. Really nice texture. The quinoa is soft, but it has a little bit of crunch to it still. Absolutely delicious. Have a little bit of bite with the avocado. You just can't go wrong with avocado. This is totally delicious and super simple to make. I highly recommend you guys give it a try.